केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो मतवारा हुआ रे, केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Petrol and diesel prices have been hiked yet again for the fourth time in less than 2 weeks. The latest increase takes the total jump since 15th of May to nearly 7.5 rupees per litre. Petrol has crossed the 100 rupee mark in most cities. Diesel is racing towards that mark. The centre is at pains to explain how its hands are tied by the West Asia conflict. A fact many understand, but it doesn't stop pinching you because you understand. It says global crude shocks have forced difficult decisions. It says excise duty cuts have already cost the government nearly 1 lakh crore rupees in revenue. And state-run oil companies are bleeding nearly 600 crore every single day. But the opposition says this government is using global conflict as a shield for its own incompetence.
India cannot afford fear-mongering. We need to give confidence to the people with our words and with our action. And that's what you're seeing at various levels, and today you're seeing it through SIDBI as well. So India continues with a robust economy.
कि जो पेट्रोल, डीजल, गैस के प्राइसेस बढ़े हैं, उसके जिम्मेदार मोदी जी हैं, और जो पार्ले बिस्किट का एडवर्टाइजमेंट या चॉकलेट का जो करने गए हैं, वो इससे दर्शाता है कि वो सीरियस नहीं है देश की इकोनॉमी को सुधारने का।
इन सबको स्टेप्स लेने के बाद भी हमारी ऑयल मार्केटिंग कंपनीज को घाटा हो रहा था। जैसा हमने आपको बताया, वो लगभग 1000 करोड़ प्रतिदिन का था। अब प्राइस राइज के बाद वो घाटा कम हुआ है, बट इट इज स्टिल इन स्लाइटली लेस देन 600 करोड़।
Total benefit of our oil companies is approximately 2 lakh rupees per annum. This is the revenue getting from crude oil products. And now government is increasing, just making these false allegations that crude oil prices are going up.
So who do the people really believe? Listen to the voices from the ground. People queuing up at fuel stations, commuters at the receiving end of relentless fuel shocks, watching their monthly budgets take the hit amidst war reality.
पेट्रोल 4-5 दिन से डेली बढ़ रहा है। 600-700 रुपए की ड्यूटी करते हैं, 102 रुपए लीटर पेट्रोल है। रोज की चल के आते हैं कम से कम 40 किलोमीटर। ये कहाँ तक चलेगा ऐसा? सरकार से यही करना चाहेंगे, जो जायज रेट है वही करो ना, अपने फायदे में क्यों दुनिया को मार रहे हो?
It's fine. I mean, it's a policy. What government is required to do to save the country, they should do it. It's no problems.
You heard the people who say they understand the centre's compulsions, but according to the AICC Secretary Srinivas BV, these very people are now part of the problem facing the country. Yes, viewers, citizens who understand the economics of war and the current geopolitics but refuse to blindly agree with the Congress narrative are now being painted as the real challenge for the country. And perhaps that explains why the Congress increasingly appears disconnected from the public mood. Because this mindset seems to flow right from the top. At a Congress strategy huddle yesterday, Rahul Gandhi reportedly claimed that the NDA government's faulty policies are responsible for the economic distress and that the Modi government may not survive even one more year. Yes, even another year. What exactly is the Congress using to measure public anger? No data, no poll results, not ground reports. Their barometer is the online noise around the cockroach Janata Party, a digital trend that is not even a real political entity. Yes, the grand old party now appears so desperate for signs of anti-BJP momentum that even internet satire is being treated like a political barometer. The BJP now calls it a toolkit to spread anarchy, being spread by a party that can't win via democratic means.
जिस तरह से कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी का गठन हुआ है और जिस तरह से उनको समर्थन मिल रहा है सारे देश में और विशेष रूप से नौजवानों का समर्थन मिल रहा है, इससे तो कम से कम आंखें खुल जानी चाहिए थी और देखना चाहिए कि अगर इसी तरह का असंतोष बना रहा तो क्या होगा आने वाले भविष्य में, कहना मुश्किल है।
और कल इसी तरह से एक नई टूल किट बाया फूल किड सामने आई। क्या कह रहे हैं? कहते हैं कि ये जो सरकार है वो 1 साल में गिर जाएगी। अगर तुम्हारा मकसद राहुल गांधी अराजकता फैलाना है तो हमारा भी संकल्प है भारत को और मजबूत बनाना है।
The other strategic advice that sources say Rahul Gandhi has given to his cadre is stop hiding behind terms like minority. Use the word Muslim directly while raising community issues. Clear vote bank signaling there. But is this strategy even working? Because on the very day Rahul Gandhi predicted the BJP's downfall, the Saffron Party won Bengal's Falta re-poll with its biggest ever margin in West Bengal, in a seat with 35% Muslim population. And where was the Congress party? Well, reduced to a distant third, barely polling 10,000 votes. Even the left polled 4 times higher. These are the political warning signs the Congress must see, not someone's subscriber list, and significantly, the trust deficit doesn't end with voters. It now appears to extend deep within the opposition camp itself. The DMK, still part of the India bloc nationally, is openly attacking its ex-ally in Tamil Nadu, the Congress party, passing a resolution calling Congress backstabbers and leeches. Oh my God, leeches. Issuing warnings that they shouldn't even be allowed near the DMK.
காரணம் இன்னைக்கு நம்ம தலைவர் அவர்கள் முதலமைச்சர் ஆகணும்னு மக்கள் போட்ட ஓட்டுல ஜெயிச்சிட்டு பதவிக்காக சொல்லாம கொள்ளாம ஓடி போயிட்டாங்க. குறைஞ்சபட்ச ஒரு நன்றியோ நாகரிகமோ இல்லாத காங்கிரஸ் இனி எந்த காலத்திலயும் நாம நம்ப கூடாது, எந்த காலத்திலயும் நாம கிட்ட சேர்க்க கூடாது. அவங்களுக்கு சரியான பாடத்தை நாம கத்து கொடுக்கறோமோ இல்லையோ தமிழ்நாட்டு மக்கள் நிச்சயம் வெகு விரைவில் கத்து கொடுப்பாங்க.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, brings me to the legitimate question on the news hour tonight. With rebellion in the alliance and repeated rejections at the poll booths, is Rahul Gandhi banking on anarchy when he predicts NDA's collapse in 1 year? That's the question, and that's the debate coming up on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Joining the debate tonight, Shehzad Poonawalla, national spokesperson of the BJP, Abhijit Iyer Mitra, senior fellow at the IPCS, Abbas Haider, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, Somnath Bharti, former minister, senior leader of the Aam Aadmi Party, Vivek Srivastava, supports the left party's political analyst. Also joining us in just a bit, Nilanjan Das, political analyst, supports the TMC. But my first question goes to Congress leader Sanjay Jha. Sanjay Jha, crystal ball gazing. Rahul Gandhi says Modi Sarkar is going to fall by its 3rd anniversary. The 2nd anniversary is around the corner. The 3rd anniversary, 1 year from now, is when this Sarkar will fall. Apropos, what is this prediction based on? And Sanjay Jha, when your own alliance partners, the Trinamool Congress doesn't think very highly of you, they've called for an India alliance meeting, DMK calling you leeches and parasites. On the other hand, you have your own set of problems between Siddaramaiah and DK Shivkumar going on for the last 3 years. But you think BJP Sarkar is going to fall in 1 year. Can you please tell me the logic behind this?
Navika, good evening to you and to all my panelists on the program. If Rahul Gandhi says this government may fall within 1 year, then we accuse him of prognosticating on an anarchy in the country. By that logic, when Amit Shah says BJP will rule for 50 years, then we can also assume, right, that the election commission will be rigged and the EVMs will be manipulated. I don't think that's really the logical discussion. The fundamental point is this. I noticed something very interesting that was said in the introductory part of your program. You called the Cockroach Janata Party as a social media satire. Well, by that logic, let me now ask the BJP that question. How is it that a social media handle triggered by a comment made by the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India become a foreign funded conspiracy enough to become a national security threat? I think that is the point we need to really think of. That I can tell you this for a fact. The reason why the Cockroach Janata Party has now become a global, not just an internet sensation, but people are looking at the larger dynamics of the frustrations of India's youth is because of the BJP. Here is a handle that responded because they felt that the Chief Justice, who's since taken back his comments, was being highly disparaging of the unemployed and the youth of the country in the casual manner in which he referenced the frustrations of the young. They protested, they created a handle, they got massive support, and that rattled the BJP so much that they have been blocking the social media.
So is that the reason why the Modi Sarkar will fall? Because support came to the Cockroach Janata Party, which, may I just clarify, is not a registered party as of now. Hasn't registered itself as a party, and if anything, support to that social media handle could also mean that they think आपसे वो भी ना हो पाएगा. यानी कि Congress, the national party in the opposition, will not be able to oppose the BJP, which is why they got probably traction. Should it worry you or should it worry the BJP?
No, Navika, I'll tell you it doesn't matter. You see, in a democracy, one of the principal foundations is that dissent can come from anywhere. So there are national parties, there are regional parties, and there is a young social media handle that's taken off. It's a stratospheric, it's absolutely extraordinary, but you cannot kind of make allegations against this entity of being a George Soros-funded major global conspiracy supported by Rahul Gandhi.
Great. When we'll ask Shehzad that question, but can you tell me what makes Rahul Gandhi believe that this government will fall in 1 year? Okay. That is my, first and foremost lead question to you, which you haven't answered.
Well, the simple answer to that question will be that if you look at the fundamentals, Navika, okay, let me answer that very quickly for you. The farmers, the agrarian community are extremely disturbed and upset. We all know that doubling of farm income never happened. India's demographic dividend is dead. There are no jobs. AI is going to take away more of them. Look at the fact that environmentally, we're the most polluted and the hottest cities in the world are in India. Is this government the most corrupt? Absolutely. All institutions of governance are dead. You find communal temperatures are rising. There is absolutely zero governance. And Mr. Modi has not held a press conference in 12 years to explain कि वो अच्छे दिन गए कहाँ? क्यों लोग बोल रहे हैं कोई लौटा दे मेरे बीते हुए दिन?
Okay. Well, आपके बीते हुए दिन तो 2014 में बीत गए थे, but Shehzad Poonawalla, please respond to the series of questions raised by Sanjay Jha.
Navika ji, before I start responding, I have one request for you. Congress has not revoked suspension of Sanjay Jha. I hereby say that we should start an online petition that Cockroach Party must make Sanjay Jha official spokesperson. I request all the online viewers of Navika's most watched show, please start a petition that Cockroach Party's chief spokesperson should be Sanjay Jha, and even he has lost faith in Rahul Gandhi's ability. He has faith in the cockroach's ability, but he does not have faith in Rahul Gandhi. So please, my dear friends, please start an online petition, and maybe Mr. Dipke can appoint Mr. Sanjay Jha with immediate effect. Navika ji, कितना अच्छा लगेगा. एक तो होगा संजय झा कॉकरोच पार्टी, और फिर किसी को आप बुला देना from his party. Navika can,
you know, Sanjay Jha, slightly rich coming from you. You took 4 minutes of whataboutery before you came to the moot question that I had asked. थोड़ा सा patience रख लो भाई. शुरू हुआ है. शहजाद.
नाविका जी देखिए ऐसा है, मुझे Navika, you know my style. I don't interrupt. I only try to bring in a little bit of lighter side to the debate because anyways, culture is becoming so toxic on debates anyways. Let me now come to the moot point. Navika ji, एक हिंदी में कहावत है, sorry to use this kind of harsh हिंदी, कि खाने को नहीं है दाने, अम्मा चली भुनाने. Or you can say कि in the Hindi word, there is a word called बोल बच्चन. मतलब कि अपनी 99 losses है, हम 99 के पार तीसरे चुनाव में हो नहीं पा रहे हैं. हमें समाजवादी पार्टी, डीएमके, तृणमूल कांग्रेस, लेफ्ट ने सबने 3 तलाक देके हमारे साथ रिश्ता तोड़ दिया है. पर भाई साहब, मैं कल सरकार गिराने वाला हूं, आप देख लेना. दिस काइंड ऑफ रेटोरिक इवन मिस्टर केजरीवाल यूज्ड टू से. उनका तो क्या हुआ वो बाद में आएंगे, परंतु राहुल गांधी रिमाइंड्स मी ऑफ माय वेरी ओल्ड फ्रेंड. One friend I had in college, his name was also Rahul. He wanted to marry the daughter of a very rich person. So every day he used to say that next year देखना मेरी लॉटरी खुलने वाली है और मैं मिस्टर जनता की बेटी को जो है ना शादी करने वाला हूं. आज तक वो अनएम्प्लॉयड है और उसको आज तक कोई नौकरी नहीं मिली है और आज तक उसकी शादी नहीं हुई है. ये राहुल की. Anyway, let me come to the point. Navika ji, let me present to you what your producer perhaps can also run in the graphics. February 7, 2019, Rahul Gandhi. मोदी का इमेज खत्म कर दिया है. 2019 में देखना वो हार जाएगा. मोदी got bigger mandate. October 6, 2020. This government will not last very long. You mark my words. Modi government came to power for 3rd time. 2024, मोदी के इमेज को फिनिश कर दिया है. मोदी वन महाराष्ट्र, बिहार, ओडिशा, हरियाणा, दिल्ली एंड बंगाल. 2018, 2023 में नो कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन भी लाया था. थैंक गॉड राहुल गांधी इज नॉट अ प्रोफेशनल फॉर्च्यून टेलर. पता नहीं क्या हो जाता. एनीवे नाविका जी, लास्ट थिंग आई वांट टू से इज दैट देखिए, जिसके खुद के भविष्य के तारे गर्दिश में हो वो कम से कम कोई रियलिटी में तो बात करे. ये वही राहुल गांधी है ना. इनकी कौन सी बात सच है बताइए. सोल्जर्स आर गेटिंग बीटन अप इन अरुणाचल, सुप्रीम कोर्ट स्लैम्ड हिम. वैक्सीन इज नॉट इफेक्टिव, वैक्सीन हेजिटेंसी वाज स्प्रेड बाय हिम. रफाल में भ्रष्टाचार हुआ है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट स्लैम्ड हिम. सावरकर जी के बारे में झूठ बोला, सुप्रीम कोर्ट स्लैम्ड हिम. पेगासस के बारे में झूठ बोला, सुप्रीम कोर्ट स्लैम्ड हिम. डेमोक्रेसी इज ओवर इन इंडिया, यूएस यूके में इंटरवीन करना चाहिए, दैट हैज बीन सेड बाय हिम. सिख्स कैन नॉट वेयर टर्बन इन इंडिया. ऑपरेशन सिंदूर इज अ फेलियर. शिवालिक नंदा देवी इज नॉट कमिंग टू इंडिया.
I know you can raise those, but I want to get in Somnath Bharti ji. Somnath Bharti ji, experienced opposition leader, has been in the government in Delhi. Somnath Bharti ji, Modi Sarkar falling in 1 year. Do you agree with Rahul Gandhi? And do you think Mr. Rahul Gandhi, who has prophesied this on several occasions and every time the BJP has come back resoundingly, but Rahul Gandhi's Congress hasn't moved very much further from where it was. Do you think this government is falling in 1 year from now?
Navika ji, thank you for taking me on. I'll just show something to your audience, and it's going to be very interesting.
पेट्रोल डीजल के दाम हर बार बढ़ते गए तो स्कूटर खड़ा कर दिया, बस से चलने लगे. पढ़ाई लिखाई के खर्चों ने हमारी जेबें खाली कर दी, फिर भी मन मारकर काम चलाया. पर जब रोज रोज की हर जरूरत की चीजों के दाम लगातार बढ़ते जाएंगे तो हम अपने बच्चों का भविष्य कैसे बनाएंगे? उन्हें क्या खिलाएंगे? महंगाई को लगातार बढ़ाने वालों, जनता माफ नहीं करेगी.
समझ गए. This is an old campaign of the BJP. What's your point, Somnath Bharti ji?
एक तो ये है, पॉइंट ये है कि आप जो जिस प्रकार के बातों को कह करके जनता को बरगला करके वोट मांगे थे, आज क्या हो रहा है? आज देश के अंदर हाहाकार मचा हुआ है. और एक बात और दिखाता हूं आपको, जो कह रहे हैं कि ये देखिए दिखा है स्टेट, आज ही का रिपोर्ट है हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स में, स्टेट रन ऑयल फर्म्स report 41% jump in Q4 net profit. आज ही का है. तो मैं जानना चाह रहा हूं कि भाई हरदीपुरी साहब कह रहे थे 1000 करोड़ का नुकसान हो गया. यहां तो कह रहे हैं कि भाई 41% का जंप हुआ है प्रॉफिट में स्टेट ऑयल कंपनीज का. तो हम किसको विश्वास करें? भाजपा कभी विश्वास करने लायक बनेगी कि नहीं बनेगी? नंबर 1. नंबर 2, आप देखिए अभी आए थे यूएस से रूबियो साहब, क्या बोल गए? वेनेजुएला से तेल खरीदा जाएगा. 56 किलोमीटर की यात्रा करने के बाद वो जो होगा, ये जो वेनेजुएला से जो तेल आएगा उसका कितना ज्यादा वैल्यू पे करना पड़ेगा. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट भी, परचेज कॉस्ट भी. लेकिन रशिया से तेल नहीं खरीदेंगे, ईरान से तेल नहीं खरीदेंगे. क्यों? क्या हम have we become a subservient to America? Have we sold out our sovereignty to America? Number 2, देखिए अमेरिका को आपने
वैसे सोमनाथ भारती जी अब फैक्चुअल मिस्टेक होगी तो मेरे को आना पड़ेगा. रशिया से भी ऑयल खरीद रहे हैं, ईरान से भी खरीद रहे हैं. फिलहाल तो खरीद रहे हैं. आई एम जस्ट करेक्टिंग यू. यस, गो ऑन.
No, but then Ram Madhav ji committed. Ram Madhav ji told in America.
And it was denied by the BJP. And it was denied by the BJP.
So Ram Madhav ji was lying in US. You're saying that?
Well, right. I don't know.
Okay.
He himself later on withdrew his words.
Okay. And third thing. Now see, Muslims in India have joined the voice of Holy Shankaracharyas. They have said, declare Gau Mata as national animal. They will not make the beef anymore. They will not cut cows. Wonderful. Why is BJP hesitating in accepting their proposal and passing a resolution? All parties will join them. Ask them now. Stop befooling the nation.
कहां पेट्रोल से काउस पर आप चले गए हैं? That is the problem. Petrol to cows all in one breath. I don't know what we are talking. आप मुझे ये बता दीजिए, is this government going to fall in 1 year because Rahul Gandhi says so, or is there a parliamentary arithmetic that is required?
Okay.
I hope this government falls in 1 month, Navika.
Navika ji.
No, hopes. You can say whichever route you use, to pray, to hope. Please do that. Nobody can stop you from doing that. But I want to know, is there a scientific reason why this has been predicted?
There's something called Rahul Gandhi, right? He's sensing public disenchantment with the Modi government.
Oh, so we are back to the cockroach theory. Shehzad, I'll come to you, but let me get in Abhijit Iyer Mitra. I'll come to you, Shehzad. Abhijit Iyer Mitra.
Directly counter.
हाँ, I will come to you. अभी 3 लोग और बैठे हैं जो आपको काउंटर करेंगे. I'm coming to you. Abhijit, my question to you is, everybody is banking now on the cockroaches in this country. Yes. They have वो देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है, वो नहीं है अब cockroaches पर hope है. Please respond to these theories that are coming.
First, Navika, we need to understand that, this cockroach phenomenon, it is a social media phenomenon. It is not there on the ground. Anybody who thinks that India can be won through social media, that would be Rahul Gandhi. He actually believes that. That is why, they actually think that the number of Twitter followers is going to translate into the number of votes on ground. So that is forgivable. But we need to remember this is part of a general pattern. The AAP was formed as the special purpose vehicle of Sonia Gandhi's National Advisory Committee. They realized the Congress was going to lose, so they created the purpose vehicle called the AAP. Now, the AAP realizes it's going to get wiped out by the Congress, surprise in Punjab, the BJP in Delhi. So now they've created this special purpose vehicle called the Cockroach Janata Party. Last year, Mr. Abhijit Dipke's tweet that he came to Delhi to do his duty. Now he claimed and vote AAP. He puts hashtag AAP, vote for AAP and all of that. You look at everyone in that party, they've got some connection or the other with the AAP. This is basically the AAP because it's lost all credibility, all its claims have come to naught. They are now trying to reinvent themselves through something else. Now, Is it possible that the Cockroach Janata Party can translate into something on the ground? Yes. But for that, you have to come and start working on the ground. You can't buy 15 million followers on Instagram, 90% of them from either Turkey, Bangladesh, or Pakistan, of all places, and then claim you're going to start working on the ground in India. Now, when we come to Rahul Gandhi, look, Rahul Gandhi, hats off to him. If there was a poster child for hope in the face of adversity, that would be Rahul Gandhi. I think Rahul Gandhi is a shining beacon of hope, that where nobody else can see hope, he can see hope. Or, you know, he's that typical thing. I think when Tagore composed that song, Jodi Tomar Sange Keo Na Chale Akla Chalo, that would be Rahul Gandhi. Because literally nobody wants to work with him. The DMK has also dumped him. And mind you, the DMK, Udayanithi, you may not like what he says, but he's always got his ears to the ground. He's always worked on the ground. He's come up working on the ground. He may have been the son of Stalin, but he worked on the ground. So best of luck to Mr. Rahul Gandhi. I congratulate him for his, message of undying hope in the face of undying failure.
Well, let me get in Abbas Haider. And Abbas Haider, this whole thing about nobody is buying oil from Russia is a total misinformation campaign. Because under the NDA, especially in the last 4 to 5 years, data shows 36% of crude oil has been imported from Russia. However, under the UPA, it was only 1%. In 2026 alone, we have imported the most crude oil from Russia. Due to the import of Russian oil, the country has saved around $20 to $25 billion. That's the estimate. So why is everyone going on and on about this Iran and Russian oil? Iran oil was sanctioned, and therefore most countries were not buying. Now we are back to going back and buying from Iran as well. But does all of this translate into the government falling in the next 12 months? Do you also believe that? क्योंकि उससे पहले तो आपका साइकिल चलाने का वक्त आ जाएगा early next year.
Well, Navika ji, there may be something about oil, but let me tell you that you have been talking about that there have been losses of 1,000 crore for petroleum companies per day during past 3 months. There is also a fact that during the first quarter of 2025-26, the petroleum company, 3 major petroleum companies like Bharat Petroleum, Hindustan Petroleum, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, they have made a gross profit of 17,000 crore. In the second quarter of 2025-26, they have made a gross profit of 18,000 crore. In the third quarter, their profits were roughly around 23,000 crore. So, Navika ji, this is also a fact. Another fact, you are talking about import from Russia, Iran and America. Certainly, if we are going to buy oil from Venezuela, our freight charges are going so high. Our, the discount Russian was giving us on oil will not be there. And at the same time, the refining cost of the oil from Venezuela or US is much higher than the refining cost from Iran or Middle East. So, Navika ji, these are certain things which we must take care of. And now I'll come to the topic. Navika ji, certainly we have been talking about Cockroach Janata Party or whatever. Navika ji, the thing is, it is just a reflection of the anger and frustration of the youth of our country, which is reflected by our social media handle, which growth multifold in just...
But why do you assume that anger is only towards the BJP? That anger is also towards the opposition. Why don't you get that?
I'll tell you. I'll tell you, ma'am. I'll tell you why. Because just after the paper leak of NEET. Just a minute. Let me respond to this. Just after when the paper leak happened of NEET, this Cockroach Janata Party came up. It reflected the anger of youth of our country. It is practically impossible to run a household in India with the rising inflation. The farmers are struggling. Small businessmen, they are struggling. Whatever is happening in our country, these social media, these common youth, they are reflecting the anger of
Cockroach Janata Party is a party made by the farmers. Is it made by the farmers? You know, Shehzad Poonawalla, they will believe everything under the sun, except that there is a message to the opposition as well. Shehzad.
Navika, 2 points.
Navika ji, first of all, I just hope that, Navika, this is not right. I don't interrupt. Thank you. Navika ji, as long as it is Cockroach Party, I can still understand, but has Somnath the joint cocktail party of India? Because he said Russian oil kharidte nahi hai. मतलब कि सर इतना भी नहीं फेंकना है कि नीरज चोपड़ा के बदले आप ही को भेज दे हम जेवलिन फेंकने के लिए। अरे क्या बोलते हैं सर, इतना कॉकटेल पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया करके मत आइए डिबेट में। अरे सुनिए ना, मैं सब बता रहा हूँ, सुनिए नाविका जी, कैन आई हैव नाविका कैन आई मेक माय पॉइंट?
It's called rapid fire. अब सोमनाथ जी आपने जवाब मांगे थे, प्लीज ही इज रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू यू, प्लीज।
नहीं, कौन से कॉकटेल पिया है तुम्हारा राम माधव ने?
देखिए नाविका जी,
राम माधव ने कौन से कॉकटेल पिया था?
देखिए नाविका जी, ऐसा है, सुनिए नाविका जी,
पाकिस्तान वाली दारू की अमेरिका वाली दारू?
नाविका जी, अब मैं अपनी बात रख सकता हूँ?
तुम रात को पीते और जाके लौट।
नाविका जी मैं तो डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस का केस भी फाइल नहीं कर सकता।
हाँ, नहीं
मेरे साथ तो मत करवाइए ऐसी शाब्दिक वायलेंस मेरे खिलाफ।
नहीं कर सकते,
मैं तो
दैट इज ट्रू, दैट इज ट्रू। और यहाँ वायलेंस, वर्बल वायलेंस का कोई केस नहीं होता। बट सोमनाथ भारती जी, अलाउ शहजाद टू रिस्पॉन्ड, आई विल गिव यू टाइम टू काउंटर।
मेरी बात हो जाने दीजिए ना। अब नाविका जी, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं, रशियन ऑयल हम खरीद रहे थे, इनफैक्ट अंडर कांग्रेस रेजिम नॉट 1% वाज बॉट। हमने रशियन ऑयल खरीदना शुरू किया 2022 में। कांग्रेस और उसका पूरा जो इकोसिस्टम है, दे अपोज्ड इट, सेइंग कि यूक्रेन के साथ खड़े हो जाओ। आज भी व्हेन देयर इज अ एंटायर इशू, दैट टाइम वी आर बाइंग 35 to 40 to 50% of the Russian oil, and in fact we have been buying consistently 15 to 20 lakh barrels per day of Russian oil, and in fact Iran oil was also stopped when there was a threat from Hillary Clinton to the then foreign minister of the UPA government, after which the Iranian foreign minister is on record in 2014 to say we are very disappointed that Congress has betrayed us, Indian government under Congress party has left our hand. So please get your facts right. Point number 1. Point number 2, after 80 days the 10 rupee excise cut we have given, we have rolled back 7.5 rupees. I am ready to accept. नाविका 7.5 रुपए उस 10 रुपए से हमने रोल बैक किए। ये पंजाब में 3 बार बढ़ा चुके पेट्रोल का दाम, वो हिमाचल में 5 रुपए बढ़ा चुके हैं, सबसे ज्यादा वैट तेलंगाना में, कर्नाटका में, पंजाब में। अरे भाई ये वैट चार्ज क्यों करते, वहां पे रिलीफ दे दो। हमने तो जीएसटी।
सोमनाथ भारती कमिंग इन, सोमनाथ भारती प्लीज काउंटर।
नाविका प्लीज, नाविका
प्लीज। Now Somnath Bharti ji is coming in. Now Somnath Bharti ji is coming in. Shehzad, hold on. Somnath Bharti.
I need to respond to this.
Navika, then I will also interrupt.
Shehzad is speaking blatant lies on your channel.
Navika,
he's trying to befool the nation.
10 seconds.
Punjab has not increased a single rupee in the VAT.
Shehzad Poonawala, Punjab has not increased a single rupee of oil. Please respond.
In the VAT. All right.
Navika ji, 1 second.
Number 2, please.
1 second, Navika ji. Navika, 1 second. Navika, 1 second. Now let me come in. Navika, let me come in on this point. Navika, let me intervene on this point.
Go, please, Shehzad, come on. You're wasting too much time. Please make your counter.
Congress Party's creation.
Navika, let the audiences hear. I request the PCR, let the audiences hear. In the last debate of Navika, I request PCR, let me make my point without interruption.
Shehzad Poonawala, my audiences are hearing you. You are wasting time. I have another panelist sitting. Please make your point ASAP.
How they have gone together.
Let me make.
In Delhi to defeat.
Ma'am, I will take only 10 seconds. I will take only 10 seconds. I beseech you. Navika, I will take only.
Make your point, Shehzad.
Now, Navika, it will go in the. It will.
They have joined together hands.
Why can't you stop the interview? Why can't we talk like civilized people, ma'am?
I can't make you speak. I can't stop him. Please go on. I have a bad throat.
Last debate. Navika,
if it is so meaningless.
Somnath Bharti
ji. In the last debate, Navika, why? What is this, Navika? My point will not come, then the entire lies he's saying will go for...
Shehzad, I have lowered the fader. Please go on.
Amol Pawar... Yes. In your last debate, Navika, Anmol Pawar had said that 1 lakh crore of debt had been cut by Punjab government. That was turned out to be lie. Navika, you check it now. The 3 times VAT has been increased in Punjab. I am going to show the Google search and the news reports in the next 1 minute to you, but 3 times Punjab government has increased VAT. Otherwise, Mr. Somnath Bharti should prove it that no VAT was increased, and if he's lying, he should leave. He should leave the debate.
My research team is checking on that fact. I'll come back to that, but Vivek Srivastava, the government will fall in one year, is what Rahul Gandhi says. Is there a logic to this, or is everybody now depending only on the cockroaches and the Cockroach Janta Party, and the opposition has become a lame duck opposition.
No, he is absolutely correct, and I agree with Rahul Gandhi, and we all agree with Rahul Gandhi. ये सरकार नहीं चलने वाली है. अब whatever might they say, अब आजकल देखिए दिल्ली में पानी बड़ा कम आ रहा है, गर्मी का मौसम है. मैंने कहा why is it so? I came to know शहजाद भाई is going every day to जल बोर्ड. इन्होंने रिसर्च किया तो इनको पता चला कॉकरोच कैन लिव विदाउट फूड फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, बट विदाउट वाटर वो कुछ दिनों में मर जाता है, तो उन्होंने पानी देना ही छोड़ दिया.
आपको भी you also have to live without votes for a long time. You've lost Kerala. 2 सीटें आई हैं बंगाल में, लेक्चर दुनिया भर का.
No, that's okay. कोई बात नहीं मैडम. नहीं, अब आप बोलने दे. आप बुला रही हैं तो बुलवाइए, फिर देखिए. आपने बुलवाया तो बोलेंगे आई एम अ प्राउड कॉकरोच. एवरी एक्टिविस्ट इज अ प्राउड कॉकरोच. एवरी स्टूडेंट इज अ कॉकरोच टुडे. और वो सारे बच्चे जो खड़े होकर के इस मुल्क से कुछ चाहते हैं, और इस सरकार ने जिस तरीके से कब्जा कर रखा है व्यवस्था पे, हर चीज का दुरुपयोग है. देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग इन सेइंग दैट द कॉकरोचेस आर ऑल ओवर. A cockroach is a patriot. A cockroach is a person who loves India. A cockroach is a person who wants India to prosper. And that is why. और क्या हो क्या रहा है? आप जो है यू आर ब्लैकमेलिंग द कंट्री. कभी वेनेजुएला से तेल लेकर के आ रहे हो, कभी आप कह रहे हो साहब ईरान से लेंगे ही नहीं, कभी आप खुश करने के लिए ट्रंप को कहते हो हम ठीक है साहब आप जो समय सीमा बता रहे हैं तो हम वहीं से तेल लेंगे, उतना ही तेल लेंगे, नहीं लेंगे रशिया से. You are breaking all friends. I mean, what is happening in this country?
You know what is happening in the world around you, Vivek Srivastava? Would you want to look at that? Would you want to look at that? Traditional friends have not remained friends. And Abhijit Iyer Mitra, Vivek Srivastava of the Cockroach Party, no longer the Communist Party of India, he's from the Cockroach Party of India. And he says that we have broken our friendships and now we are putting this country in jeopardy. He doesn't realize that in the Middle East, oil is not available because of the Iranian strikes. We may have to get it from other sources. What is the solution? Can you please explain both oil sales as well as geopolitics to him?
So I'll respond to both him and to Abbas Haider. Now, regarding burning up bridges, last month, both the Russian foreign minister and the Iranian foreign minister were in town. Right now, the American foreign minister is in town. Who exactly have we burnt bridges with? Now, see, if they believe we've burnt bridges, I can't do that. I can only work based on facts, number one. Number two, Mr. Abbas raised a very important point about the cost of Venezuelan oil, and he's absolutely right. We have to factor in the cost of transportation. The issue there is that the cost of Iranian oil, 60% of all fuel is blocked at the Straits of Hormuz right now, and therefore other oil becomes, the cost of buying that becomes cheaper relative to just waiting for oil, and you have to take in opportunity cost as well. And that is why the price, I do not believe that the current price at 104, 107, whatever it is correct. We need to be somewhere at around 125 to 130 right now. If you are not at 125 to 130, what will happen is, in about 3 to 6 months time, you will start paying 200 rupees per kilo for potatoes. Okay, this is a natural thing of inflation. Now, will the rise in petrol prices also lead to inflation? Of course it will. But that will be far less impactful than keeping your refineries completely focused on fuel right now, not getting into fertilizers, not getting into plastics and things like that.
But the government is going to fall, so cockroaches will now decide whether fertilizer has to be produced or petroleum.
Navika ji, you will not believe me. I will say this. Rahul Gandhi is saying 6 months. Mark my words. Next month itself, government will fall and Honorable Shri Rahul Gandhi ji will become Prime Minister of the country. He will get 700 seats in Parliament. You will ask me, there are only 545 seats in Parliament. How can he get 700? But you don't know the strength of Rahul Gandhi. He will create 700 seats in Parliament.
Sanjay Jha.
Yeah. You know, since we're discussing oil, a very important information that the viewers of Times Now must know, that when the price of oil was low, it was not always so high. The war has only started after February 28th. But since Mr. Modi became Prime Minister, from that year onwards, oil prices were really low on an average.
We've been over that debate. How many times did you increase price? They will show the data of how much they increase prices. Shehzad, please respond.
No, let me make this point.
No.
Narendra Modi's government.
I'm short of time.
Navika, I request you for.
Narendra
Yes,
Navika,
Shehzad,
now
make your
one
point. I'm running out of
Navika,
time. There's no
thank you very
time
much
for
for
so
allowing
many.
me.
Yeah, Shehzad, counter.
Navika, 11 June 2023, Punjab increases the VAT. September 2024, Punjab increases the VAT. I have sent both the news items to your channel also, so you can verify. Somnath Bharti is a serial liar, just like Anmol Power lied on your show.
Well, Shehzad, I think Somnath Bharti was talking about this particular period since February 28. Somnath Bharti, were you referring to this period or earlier period? Please respond.
I'm talking about now. I'm talking about now, when everybody's, when all
now?
states are increasing.
Why did you
Punjab
increase when
has
the prices
not
were low?
increased.
What nonsense?
Punjab has ensured.
What nonsense?
Well, what now?
Punjab
It's
has
times
ensured.
now.
Government has
It is
funded
times
quickly.
now, and we did a Times Now poll, and we asked the questions to the people. Rahul predicts India's fall, NDA's fall within 1 year. Wishful thinking? Yes, say 61% of the people. No, say 34%. Can't say 5%. 61% people believe. Well, wishful thinking. Great. Wishful thinking. Good for Rahul Gandhi. Good for the opposition. But we'll keep watching what happens on that front and keep you informed whether it is really the opposition or cockroaches that are now leading the opposition. Thank you very much to panelists joining me on debate number 1.